The biggest challenge would be how can we take green hydrogen from being only small demonstration projects into scalable, bankable project. How we can prove the concept in terms of reliability, how can we demonstrate the ability of supply chain to deliver all the required technologies vis-a-vis electrolyzer, for example, and how can we accelerate and incentivize the demand side through long-term committed offtake.
So it's very clear to me that the largest bottleneck, but also the largest enabler of the hydrogen fuel cell economy is actually the availability of low-cost, low-carbon hydrogen.
The main bottleneck is the availability of green electrons. Although there have been mentions of tripling in COP28, tripling the amount of renewable energy, if you look at reality, we are not at any pace that comes close to that. So we will have big issues trying to get to our ambition if that doesn't increase in speed.
It's all of us working together as one group, as one entity. We need to break the chain of which one is first, the egg or the chicken. We need to work holistically and collectively together. The supply chain, the logistics, the infrastructure, regulation, governance frameworks, the development and investment, and finally the demand, all together to help take the green hydrogen from its infancy, its baby footsteps, into walking proud and tall, similar to what the global community did with the renewable energy.
The main thing to overcome the bottleneck of the lack of green electrons is to face the facts. We are not going to get to a tripling of renewable energy by the end of this decade. Acknowledging that fact is necessary to analyze why and what has to happen, and it comes down to adjusting the policies and bringing into the market the security that only the policymakers can do.
I think the key thing is that we invest more time in connecting the entire ecosystem, and that we ensure offtake agreements are in place so that those producing have security to invest in ramping up supply to meet the demand that's out there.
In our company, we have developed a new technology for electrolysis. It's called SOEC, and the efficiency is such that with the same amount of electrons in, you produce 30% more hydrogen, or for the same amount of hydrogen, you use 30% less electrons. So we have embraced that, and we have taken the bold step to invest in a factory for that technology in Europe, 350 million. We have already announced another 350 to 400 million facility in the US, and altogether does the development of this highly energy efficient solution. We are investing about $1 billion between now and 2027.
So we continue to invest in R&D as well as in minority investments. We've partnered up as a founding anchor investor in High24. There's multiple different internal organic investments that we've made, including our liquid hydrogen test facility in the United States, so that our partners as well as us can test new technologies, innovations, and continue to progress that forward.
We're a technology company that offers technology to enable supply, and we have capacity to deliver. What we need is offtake, more demand, and then life will be good.